If you've come to find out that people are wishing you on Telegram because your birthday is public, well, in this video, we will learn how we can hide those birthdays on Telegram. But before we get started, make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. In order to hide your birthday in Telegram, maybe because you're not comfortable with it, open up the Telegram application. Once you launch the Telegram app, tap on the three lines icon from the top left of the screen. Then go to the option Settings. From here, go to the option Privacy and Security. From Privacy and Security, you can set different options. Select the option called Date of Birth. When you've set your date of birth to everybody, people on Telegram will be able to know that it's your birthday. But if you'd like to hide it, set this to Nobody. You can also choose to set it to only your contacts if that's what you want. But after you've done so, tap on the arrow icon from the top right hand side, and then you've successfully saved your changes and hid your birthday on Telegram. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.